Hey everyone, I'm Silwolf, and I finally got my hands on Starly and Darty. If you remember, I got Mermaid and Partey from Toys for You, which is the toy store in the UK, and they were the only people who had them at the time. Starly and Darty were out of stock, so it's only now that I've managed to get hold of them, and I know everyone else has got them other places, but in the UK it's a bit harder to get them. I don't think our Amazon even has them yet, or at least they have them, but they're not going to ship them for it was something like 2 to 3 weeks or something, which I thought was a bit ridiculous. And by chance I went on Toys for You again to have a look to see if they were back in stock, and they were, so here they are. And I've had these guys for a few days, but I was already up to date on videos, and let's face it, Starly and Darty are no longer absolutely fresh, 100% new items. So I figured other people will have done videos of them, so there wasn't any hurry. But I know that a lot of you guys especially wanted to see Starly, so that's pretty much the reason that I got these guys, but also because I wanted to complete my Wave 2 Furblets collection. So we will start with Starly, because that's the one you guys have been waiting for. So here we go, Starly. There's the box. And it shows Starly with the clip on the side. And collect and harmonise, it says on the back. It's just the usual thing on the Furblets boxes, but with Starly instead of the other design. So let's open them up. I did actually cut the tape earlier on here, but I didn't actually get these bits. I should have just brought scissors in and cut this, but there you go. Open this bit up like that. I always pray that it'll go quite quickly so that I'm not boring people with unpackaging stuff. So here we go. Now the other stuff's just the usual things, instructions, and this massive thing saying how dangerous batteries are and everything, so I tend to put that in the bin and I just keep the instructions in each Furblet box. So here's Starly. And it's a pretty colour. It's got, you can sort of see that it's got stars sort of printed in the material there. Can't see them that well though because the Furblet's very small. Imagine a full-size Furby in this colour, that would be cool. And a little purple tag, and it's glittery, the little thing that it's attached to. So let's have a look here. Now that is a reused soundbite, I can tell right from the beginning. That's Pixel's soundbite, and people have been saying that these Furblets are starting to have reused sound bites from previous waves of Furblets, and I can see why they do it, but it's kind of disappointing if you've got a whole collection of them and you notice these things. So you can see Starly's got little planets in the eyes there, and the faceplate is actually sparkly. And is the beak sparkly? No, the beak's not sparkly, just the little faceplate. And the heart gem's also sparkly as well. That's Pixels again. Heart gem button's a bit sticky. I mean, not sticky in texture. I mean, it's not. Took a while. Oh, that was cool. I like the longer sound bites. That's definitely reused. go, that's Starly. Let's have a look at Darty next. Again, the box is just the sort of generic box, but with the Darty on. That's the side of it, and the back of it, on the other side, which shows you what the box contains. So we'll open it up, and again we've got one of these, so get that undone. I'll just try to be as quick as I can with these things. Luckily it's not done up too tightly. There we go. And let's get them out. So this one's really vibrant pink with yellow polka dots. Sorry, white polka dots. I'm not colourblind, I promise. This is a very vibrant green as well. So it kind of sets off the colour of the furblet quite nicely. And the bottom is blue. So wait for Starly to go to sleep. There we go. So this one's got flowers in their eyes. See it a little bit. The weather's not brilliant today. It's kind of dull, so. And again, the faceplate's the same as Starly's and it's blue sparkly. And the beak is orange, which a lot of people actually prefer. That was nice. I don't know, I'm getting kind of hippie vibes off this one. I wonder who does the voices for these. Farting and then singing. So there you go, Starly and Darty. And if you want to see the other two in the series, they're right here. And this is the wave 2 of the Furblets. They did actually re-release Melanie and another one, or at least include them as part of the series. So now they're all talking. Yeah, I'm not quite sure why they sort of recycled 2 of them, because wave 3 of the Furblets actually has 6 new ones. So yeah, I'm not really sure why they did that. It might have been just as a placeholder or something. And they're all asleep except for Starly, who I turned on. Like, oh no, Starly is going to sleep as well. No, some of them are still awake. And they're slowly falling asleep. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. If you want to see more videos of the Furblets, you can click the boxes that come up below. You can check out my Etsy New Monday stores. Links are in the descriptions. I make artwork and commissions. Or you can buy me a coffee on Ko-fi if you enjoy what I do. It all helps. The link for that is also in the description. So stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silver signing off.